Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Labor's Day. I'd like to start off with that. I hope you had a good Labor Day anyway, because by the time you see this video, Labor Day will be over. Seen a lot of channels here lately. It's got these really cool intros. Yeah, that's not me. We have a beautiful day out here today, folks. It's just a beautiful, sunshiny Ohio day. Now it's hot. It's going to be hot today. It's supposed to be, with the index or whatever, it's supposed to be around 100, but it's calling for about 93 as the real temp. So we've got this great big maple tree here, and I will spin the camera around and show you guys all. This is a live maple tree. It blew over in a storm. I'm estimating there's probably pretty close to 2 cord of firewood in this tree. I might be off a little bit, but I don't think so. So we have brought every saw that I have down here this morning, and I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to show you the 2 we started out with. So hey, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hit that like button if you want to. Hit the subscribe button if you've never done it. If you like the channel, we are trying to put out a bunch more content, keep it a little more frequent. Some things have opened up here, so I think it's going to be a little easier. Plus we've got hunting seasons rolling in. I do a little filming of that. So stay tuned, guys. I'm kind of excited where we might go with this. We've got some new equipment coming in also. New filming equipment, new editing equipment. So hopefully we can take this channel just a little farther. But anyways, enough of that jazz. Let's get to work. All right, guys. These 2 are fueled up. I got to warm them up yet. But what we're going to start with today is the 50cc class. I've got a Bellhopper built 346 XP, 18-inch bar, my square grind chain. It has been ran. It might, I don't remember how sharp it is. It feels pretty sharp, but we're going to be out here a while today making videos. It's going to be hot. I know I'm going to end up having to take a break. So what I will probably do is run these chains for a tank of gas or so, see how they cut. And when I take my break, I'll probably re-square grind both of these. This one is a round file. This is a stock Oregon 20-inch LPX chain, I do believe is what it's called. 325/05 ill gauge. This is the same kind of Oregon chain, 18-inch bar, 72 drive length, 3/8 or 325/050. So they're both pretty close in comparison. I've never ran these saws together. I'm not here to compare these saws. I know I happen to love both of them. If I was going to do a compare video, I would probably just throw the 20-inch bar on both of them and do it. And that might be a video that we do one of these days, but this is not it. So don't think I'm out here saying, hey, we're comparing this saw to see which one's better. No, they each have their purpose. This is my new small firewood saw. This is my saw for tree work. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get suited up, get these saws warmed up, and we'll bring you back once we start cutting. I'm gonna tell you guys this again today. Warm up your chainsaws. Thank you. Oh, they both stalled right at the same time. That's crazy. Alright, Jonbob.
start someplace and never pass a limb. These things are loaded, some of them. They're under so much compression and stuff. Hey guys, I'll get some of this cleared up and I'll bring you back. That 346 is running good today too, buddy.